Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Wednesday the 22nd of February, and today was a definitely an interesting day in the markets. We had a lot of chop here in the first few hours. The markets did gap down a little bit, it did gap down a bit, and then it came back up and chopped around a little bit, and then it finally, after everybody fell asleep during this, it kind of just fell out of bed a little bit. Eventually found some support, bought up and went sideways. But anyway, we had one trade today. Maximum profit potential, we had 3 1/4 points or 13 ticks. Actual entry and exit in the room, we made 2 points or 8 ticks. We grabbed the short over here after the existing home sales numbers came out worse than expected, and the markets did sell off a little bit, and then came right back up and sold off again. So it is what it is. We only took one trade today. It just was so choppy in this area. It did sell off back our prior entry, and it did sell. And that's what, sometimes the market, if it doesn't give you exactly what you want, you don't have to make trades. Even if they work in hindsight, you don't have to take them. And that's what we try to do. We try to not take all of the trades. We only take the ones that are the highest probability. And that's what we did. We only made one trade today, but it worked out. We made 2 points at $50 a point. You're looking at $100 for 2.5 hours. And it's not the best ever, but it's not the worst ever either. So, but anyway, I'd like to encourage everyone to stop by and check out the website at www.businesswithtrading.com. Every day we do focus on the S&P 500 futures market. Definitely have a lot of passion for that market, and the members share the same passion, which makes it pretty awesome. We just started a few weeks ago doing option trades as well, which has definitely worked out fairly well. We closed a portion of one of our trades yesterday, and it's pretty cool. We booked in some good profit, and I think it'll be pretty cool to add on to trading the ES. We focus on the ES market. That's pretty much all we have up, and talk about the ES throughout the day. I have my ES chart up, and I'm talking about what I'm seeing, what I'm looking at, and the trades that I am taking. When I take a trade, I speak it in real time, and I type it in real time, so that way it's in the chat room. I'm saying it. Usually I say it a couple times, just in case if somebody didn't hear me correctly, or so I say it a couple times. I type it, which makes it easy for everybody to see the trade. And I just have my charts running throughout the day, and then when I close the room at 12 o'clock, I talk about what I'm looking at happening for the remainder of the day. Today, I mentioned a trade that worked out very, very well. I talked about getting long down here, and the trade, as you can see, worked out very well. And we have come back down here, but right now we're the market's trading right here, but you had a very nice move off of that. And that's what I try to talk about. If I could speak clearly, if I close the room at 12 o'clock, I try to give an analysis of what I'm looking at for the rest of the session. A lot of times I'll have a little more clarification. I talk about what I'm looking at for the next day, next month, couple months, and it's definitely beneficial to the members, and that's what I'm trying to do here. Now I'm adding on the options with the ES trading, just trying to do stuff that is beneficial to the members. And I already trade stuff, like I already trade options. I've been doing it for a while, so adding that on is nothing new for me, but it's new for the members, and it's something that I think is definitely worth getting into. And that's one of the reasons I put it up. Also, it's something the members are interested in. I've had the majority of clients tell me that they are interested in options. So, it's a great service to, put that on. I already trade them. I really enjoy trading options. I like trading the ES better, but the options are, they're pretty good, and they're a great add-on for the room. So that's why I did that. But anyway, I think it's going to be a pretty cool year. It should be a very, very interesting rest of the month, and March I think will be a lot of fun. But anyway, that's about that. Let me pull over the news for tomorrow, and I want to talk about that. Want to highlight at 8:30 in the morning before the market opens, unemployment claims. That's going to be pretty big, and a lot of people are going to be looking to that. I think that's one of the reasons why today was so choppy. They were looking for, they're really waiting for unemployment claims to come out. The unemployment claims have been dropping recently, and they're probably going to look to see if it's going to continue that or not. Their forecast 352,000, and the prior reading was 348. So it's definitely going to be interesting. I think we're going to get a little bit more claims than the last reading. Also at 10 o'clock we have the housing price index month over month. And it's not a big number, so it could be something that the market just shrugs off. Looking for 0.2%. Prior reading was 1%. At 10:30 we have natural gas storage, negative 146 billion they're looking for, and negative 127 billion was the prior reading. And then at 11 o'clock the crude oil inventories, 0.9 million versus last reading of negative 0.2 million. Now I know crude oil inventories and natural gas storage, the ES usually has no bearing at all. Crude oil inventories, it could perhaps this time have a bearing on it. It could not. Just saying, so at 11 o'clock we probably actually want to pay attention to this. So, that's the news for tomorrow, and we'll pick it up at 8:30 in the morning. That's going to be big. So we'll look to that, see what it says, and just continue. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Appreciate that in a big way. Everyone have an awesome night. I'll see you in the morning. Thank you.